What's going on, everyone? So if you don't know who I am, my name is James Mason with Transparent Traders, and we strive to do our best to help you out as a trader, make you successful, and overall just make money. So if you don't know by now, this is the new TTBB Entries and Exit Indicator. It's on TradingView, and if you want to gain access to this later on, we actually have a 30-day $1 trial. You can test it out. It's a full service trial for $1 for 30 days. And if you don't like it, you just cancel before your 30 days are up, and you'll still get to finish out your 30 days. I actually recommend that to people as soon as they sign up. I prefer that they immediately cancel, so that way they don't have to worry about getting charged when that month ends. So you can just go to www.transparenttradersblackbox.com, or the short URL is www.ttblackbox.com. So let's go ahead and get into it right now. I'm going to show you a back test for every ticker on the S&P 500. Now, with the way TradingView does it, as you can see right here on my chart already, it goes back to the beginning of time for whatever that security is done. Now, just so you know, the best way to actually use this indicator is with the Heikin Ashi Candlesticks. That's the best way to get these results. And this indicator this is on the daily chart. Let me just pull this down for y'all. It literally tells you when to go long, sell, go short. And with this being on the daily chart, obviously I have a ton of daily candlesticks here. That's why it looks just so intense. But if you actually zoom in, it's not that bad. When it does have losses, for instance, choppiness like right here, it minimizes the losses. So overall, you're pretty safe. Now, another thing that I would like to kind of explain with what I'm doing is we're going to start off with $1,000. These results are starting off with $1,000, and we're only taking 10% of our equity of that $1,000 and buying shares, as many shares that we can with that 10%. And you'll see as the account starts to compound, how your P&L will compound in either direction. So let's get into it. Again, this is on the daily chart, and this is the P&L. This is the back test. And I'm just going to click through this. Most of them are going to be winners. We should find some losers. We'll just see. I'll be honest, I haven't even ran through this yet. I'm just going to keep clicking down, and we're going to run through the entire S&P 500. And as you can see, over and over again, using the Heikin Ashi candlesticks on the daily chart for swing trading. I'm just going to kind of go through these a little quicker, but I just want you to see how successful this is. Again, this is the entire S&P 500. There's no way that I could possibly flaw these results for y'all. So by the way, if you're watching this, throw a ticker up that's not in the S&P 500, and I'll put it on the charts after I run through this. You can even throw up crypto. It can be searched on TradingView. It can be traded using this indicator. Oh, by the way, if you're watching this on YouTube and you're not a subscriber yet, please give me a follow and go ahead and hit that like button. Oh, that's an invalid symbol right there. Let me actually go ahead and just knock that one off the list. It's kind of getting old clicking through all these winners. Let's find a loser. And again, this is going long, selling, going short, covering, and just over and over on the daily chart. Here we go. That's the entire, hold on a second. That was it. Hold on a second. Shouldn't be freezing up on me. I thought that was actually the entire watch list. So we'll keep on clicking. Come on, load up TradingView. Here's another one that's not a valid symbol anymore. Stephen Long, I already went past NVDA. I'll pull it back up at the end. All right. Well, we're somewhere near the end of the list. Actually, about 70% of the way. Y'all get the point. So let me just go through here, and I will look up the specific tickers for y'all and show you. So let me just run through the comments really quick on my end. Okay, ticker RELI. All right, here you go. This is ticker RELI on the daily chart. That's the back test for it. So to answer, Stephen, to answer your question, is this being recorded? Yes. This is being recorded live on whatever platform you're viewing this right now on. So if you're looking at this or viewing this on Facebook, after this video ends, it will render and it will be there on Facebook for whatever group you're in, and the same for YouTube and also Twitch. All right, so ticker, where was it at? I just saw it. Oh, BNB. All right, Derek, you have anything else for this? It doesn't have any data on TradingView for it. So Tony Davis, what if a stock cannot be shorted? Any stock can be shorted. You just have the right, you need to have the right broker to short it. Okay, Moises, Bitcoin. Here is Bitcoin on the daily chart. So to Trust Kevin 13, your question was, so this would be another subscription service to utilize with TT. When you sign up for the TT Black Box subscription, you'll get access, obviously, to our algorithms, all of our news, all the stuff that comes with the platform. You also get access to the TradingView indicators that I've created. And then you'll just simply sign up for a TradingView account. I highly recommend at least getting that basic level paid account and getting the data for NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, and I can't remember what they're calling it nowadays. It's either being called AMEX or ARCA or something like that. But you need to get those 3 extra data sets, and they're like $2 each a month. It would behoove you to get all 3 of those. That way you have all of the market data, mainly the volume, to help calculate this. Now, on the daily chart as a whole, you can kind of get away with just the NASDAQ, but again, for $4 extra more dollars, you get all of the data, and it makes it better for you. So let's see. Let me run through the comments again, see what other tickers y'all are requesting. Oh, Tony, appreciate you responding to him. All right, Stephen Long, NVDA. Here we go. Here's NVIDIA. All right, the SPY, SPY. Here we go. Ticker PLUG. Here is PLUG. Seconds. There we go. Cryptocurrency, ETH, daily chart. So, Stephen, for your question, does this work on the 1 minute chart as well? Yes, it works for any time frame. The thing is, the key right here is if you start trading on a particular time frame, you need to stay on that time frame. Don't go looking at the 1 minute chart and then try to make your entry on the 5 minute chart, and or vice versa. All right, so next one, ticker ENPH. So Brett Gibson, well, I'll be adding conditions excuse me, to Pine Script so that y'all can be able to pull it with JSON and automate this. All right, I need to talk to our attorney first just to make sure that we can legally do that, because if we're operating a trading bot, we have to have somebody who has a series license to be able to manage it, to legally do it. Hold on a second, I'm just running through the comments. Neil, to answer your question, am I trading the entries and exit indicator off the daily chart? I trade it on any time frame. It's just easier to answer everyone's questions for especially for swing traders, just looking at the daily chart. So let me just, I don't know, I'll throw up Boeing. And let me change this to the 1 minute chart. Okay, I won't pull up that on the 1 minute chart. I'm not sure why. It'll pull it up there on the four hour chart. Let's see. Okay, so here on the 1 hour chart, if I go to the 1 hour chart for Bowen, for as far back as it was calculating for 7 trades, we actually have it going back and being a loser technically. Now, I'm not sure if it's still in a current trade. It could be, Let's see. Okay, so it completed that. But again, like I was saying, if you get on a time frame, I'm actually glad that I pulled up Bowen right here on an hourly chart just to show some loss. And I actually do have one on my other watch list I'll pull up in a moment to show you a loss. But you can see right here, if you look at this net profit, it's only a loss of $8.15 over 7 complete trades with Bowen. And think about that. You guys know how much Bowen moves. To take 7 trades and only have a loss of $8.15, that's pretty daggone good. All right, let me finish running through this really quick. Oh, Tony, sorry about that. I figured you guys could see the total P&L. The total P&L would be right over here. And again, I was running through all those pretty quickly. And the total P&L, once again, is based off of the data that TradingView gives me. And it, for whatever reason, it goes back to essentially the beginning of time for that ticker. But how I approached this was starting off with $1,000 and only taking 10% of your entire account and then trading that by basically compounding it. All right, so let's see. Let me keep running through this. So ticker SQ. All right, so let me find that one that I was telling you about. That's actually a loser. Hold on a second. There we go. This is ticker YGMZ. As you can see right here, this thing, let's see when it first started trading. Okay, so it started first calculating this in its back test on November the 6th, 2020. And it has taken a total of 25 trades, and this thing had only lost, out of 25 trades, only lost $65.12. Right over here, you can see. So yeah, guys, results don't lie. So y'all seen it right there. Back test, clicking through everything. I mean, that's all I can say. This thing is a beast. So just keep that in mind. But anyways, guys, I appreciate it. And what is this? Let me see. What is this? Hold on. I know I don't have a scammer popping up in my live feed. All right, guys. So I appreciate it. Y'all seen it for yourself. And if you're interested in it, again, just go to our website, www.ttblackbox.com. The only black box algorithm system out there that can actually produce you real results. So I appreciate y'all. And thank you for checking this out. And I will see y'all in the next one.